Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Hotelier Human Resources. And today we are going to discuss how we prepare the leave policies. Friends, it is very important for any organization to have a proper leave policy. And how do you prepare that leave policy? Now let's find it out. But before that, I request you to please subscribe to my channel to get the latest update on my HR tips. Friends, any organization leave policy that is defined by the Shops and Establishment Act of that particular state. For an example, if we say we want to define the leave policy for the Delhi state, so we can go to the Shops and Establishment Act of Delhi, and there we can see as per Delhi Shops and Establishment Act, if we talk about the casual leave, the sick leave, and the earned leave, which is also called the privileged leave. So if we talk about Delhi, you have a combination of casual leave plus sick leave as 12. Whereas if we talk about the earned leave or the privileged leave, you have 20 earned leave. And if we talk about the Haryana leave policy, which is governed by the Punjab Shops and Establishment Act. So as per Punjab Shops and Establishment Act, so you have casual leave as 7, and then you have sick leave as 7, and earned leave as 18. That is one earned leave for 20 days of working. So that is 1.5 leave per month. So if you want to define your company's leave policy, you should always refer to the Shops and Establishment Act of that particular state. Whereas according to the Shops and Establishment Act, you can define the holiday list of your company, you can define the exact leave policy. So that's about the leave policy of any organization, friends. And for more updates, please subscribe to my channel